Yo, what is good, guys and girls? I'm gonna be showing you how to sound like Little Aaron today in the song Hot Topic. Basically, I can't edit my videos, so this is how I'm gonna make the videos. This is how I'm going to make the videos from now on until I can afford an editing program. But yeah, here it is. Here are the vocals without the effects on. So let me just show you an A-B comparison. I'm a hot topic. I'm a hot topic. Oops. I'm a hot topic, yeah. Okay, so this is not gonna sound exactly like it because he has like higher quality plugins, but we're using stock and free plugins. So yeah, here we are. First thing we're gonna be doing is showing you the limiter. This is just a preset for noise gate, and that just takes out the background noise. And now we have two cutting EQs. So here we go. First off, we cut around 800, or not 800, my bad, like 124 hertz, and then we start cutting our vocals. If you want to know how to do this, leave a comment down below and I'll show y'all in a new video or something. I don't know, but yeah, aside of that, let's do a compressor. So we cut first and then we compress our vocals with a fruity limiter, threshold like around -23, ratio like 4.1. And then we have another compressor, so we stack our compressors, and it makes our vocals sound wider, I guess. And here it is. It's A, Sound Godizer, A, preset A. And then we have a exciter, or not exciter, but it just increases up the highs in our vocals with the EQ. So we just use preset vocal presence. And now we just throw a fruity chorus on. I think it's default settings, I'm pretty sure. If not, just copy them down with the FLP that I'll leave in the description box below. It's free, guys. Just join my Discord. It's in there. And yeah, we mix it about 79%. And then we throw a fruity send on. This is it. And I track it out to track 3. So what that means is I come down here and I go to track 3 or whatever it is. And I right click it, route to this track. And then go back to fruity send on your vocals, and click track 3. My bad, I can't talk. All right, so let's go on to the crisper. So again, just do sidechain for this time, and just increase it all the way up. So go to this one, and put an EQ on. We want to cut everything off at like 1600 hertz, I guess, and then boost it to 12 decibels, and throw a limiter on and compress it with the same settings as your compressor from your vocals. And now on to our distortion. So you go to fruity fast distortion, that's default settings, and throw another one on, mix it up like to that. That's it. And then we're going to EQ this distortion, cut everything off past 930 hertz, I believe, and throw a love filter on, and just cut it like around 73%. That's about it. And just throw a simple reverb on. There's the settings for that. And delay, there's the settings for that too. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Ad-libs are the exact same settings as the vocal. So yeah, and just route them to a reverb and distortion. And this is how it sounds with all the effects on. So hopefully it sounds good, guys. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Boom, 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 and bam. I'm a hot topic, yeah. Watch out, cause I just might take up, it's a hot topic. And it sounds even better with the beat on, so here we go. I'm a hot topic, yeah. Oops, I didn't. Hold on. There we go. I'm a hot topic, yeah. Watch out, cause I just might take up, it's a hot topic. Money started coming, I ain't got no plan on stopping. I'm a hot topic, yeah. I'm a hot topic, yeah. Alright, there you go, guys. I'll see y'all later. Peace.